National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Hunterdon County in northwest New Jersey, southern Warren County in northwest New Jersey, northwestern Bucks County in southeast Pennsylvania, Chester County in southeast Pennsylvania. This includes the city of Westchester, Montgomery County in southeast Pennsylvania, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:50 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds to 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Springtown to Pittstown to 8 miles northwest of Mount Vernon, or along a line extending from 7 miles east of Allentown to 17 miles east of Reading to 13 miles southeast of Lancaster, and moving east at 35 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Mount Vernon around 6:55 p.m., Viewtown, Pleasant Valley, Glenmore, and Quakertown around 7 p.m., Riedelsville, Homeville, Spring Mountain, Parksburg around 7:05 p.m., Elfin around 7:10 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, heavy rain will occur with these storms and cause low-lying and poor drainage flooding. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Tuesday evening for New Jersey and southeastern Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon and Warren.